Neutrophil lymphocyte ratio predict poor outcome in post-cardiac surgery involving aortic cross-clamping among pediatric patients with congenital heart disease. A literature review. Neutrophil lymphocyte ratio has been reported as independent risk factor of poor outcomes in post-operative patients. Higher neutrophil lymphocyte ratio associated with extended length of stay and nosocomial infection. Aortic cross-clamping is a procedure involved in many open heart surgeries. Clamping and unclamping the aorta has been shown to cause several changes within vascular lining, which included promoting inflammatory process due to vascular remodeling. Literature reviewed in our study were gathered from the PubMed and Google Scholar. Advanced search was conducted on both Google Scholar and PubMed Builder, with the keywords used were neutrophil lymphocyte ratio and outcome, and aortic cross-clamping, and congenital heart disease. We also reviewed the articles cited within the literature to broaden the search result. From all 5 selected articles, it could be concluded that neutrophil lymphocyte ratio counts is statistically significant with prognosis or outcome of the post-cardiac surgery pediatric patient with aortic cross-clamping and or CPB duration. A ratio of more than 2 until 3 has significant difference in subjects with longer hospital and ICU stay and nosocomial infection. The conclusion, neutrophil lymphocyte ratio predict worse outcome in patients with congenital heart disease, post-cardiac surgery involving CBB and aortic cross-clamping. Higher neutrophil lymphocyte ratio is significantly associated with extended length of stay in the hospital and ICU, the use of mechanical ventilation, and nosocomial infection.